In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment on a Xero invoice with our full 2025 guide, making the process smooth and straightforward. Whether you're a business owner or an accountant, knowing how to manage your invoices efficiently is crucial, and we're here to simplify this for you. To begin, let's start from your Xero dashboard. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted with an overview of your financial information. This is your control center for all things related to your business finances. From here, locate and click on Business in the main navigation bar. This is where you'll find tools to manage your business operations efficiently. With Business selected, your next step is to go to Online Payments. This section will allow you to set up payment services which can be linked directly to your invoices, making it easier for your clients to pay you. It's a critical step to enhance the payment experience for your customers and to ensure you get paid faster. Once you're in the Online Payments section, look for the Start Setup button and give it a click. This will initiate the process of setting up a payment service provider. These services facilitate online transactions, and setting them up correctly is vital to streamline the process of receiving payments. Now click on Add Other. This option allows you to add a payment service other than those already integrated directly into Xero. It gives you the flexibility to choose a method that best suits your business needs. Next, you'll see a list of available payment services. We're going to focus on one of the most popular options, PayPal. Click on PayPal to begin the integration process. PayPal is widely used due to its ease of use and security, and adding it as a payment option on your invoices can significantly enhance the customer experience. After selecting PayPal, you'll need to follow the on-screen instructions to input the required credentials and settings. This is where you type in the highlighted fields prompting you for information related to your PayPal account. This step is crucial as it connects your Xero account with PayPal, enabling automatic handling of transactions through your invoices. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, remember to click on Save. This will ensure all the data you've entered is securely stored and the setup process is complete. With this save, your Xero account is now ready to accept payments via PayPal directly through your invoices. In conclusion, setting up payments on your Xero invoices not only simplifies the payment process but also increases efficiency and accuracy in your financial management. By following these steps, you've made it easier for your clients to pay you, leading to improved cash flow for your business. Thanks for following along, and I hope you find this guide helpful in managing your invoices effectively on Xero.